Hello there. Why is my dog not eating? This video 1 in a 3-video series that will discuss why a dog will refuse to eat. Any life-threatening disease that is causing vomiting or diarrhea will trigger neuronal and hormonal signals to shut down the hunger or the appetite center in the hypothalamus in the brain. This action triggers nausea and complete loss of appetite. How long it takes to restore the appetite after shutdown is dependent on the body's ability to control the vomiting and diarrhea and return the body to normalcy. But what is nausea, and do dogs experience it? Nausea is a feeling of uneasiness, an early warning sign that the stomach may soon be expelling or vomiting some suspected harmful substances. Nausea warns the dog not to take food or water by mouth, or it will throw them out, or it will throw the food and water out. So why is my dog not eating and is not having diarrhea or vomiting? When presented with a dog that is not eating, my challenge is threefold. Number 1, I have to identify why the dog could be disinterested with the food being offered at home. I have to identify an underlying disease that could be causing nausea and subsequent loss of appetite. I'll have to identify environmental factors that could be stressing and distracting the dog from eating. So those are the 3 things that I'll be checking for to make sure that they are not causing the dog from losing appetite. These are the 3 questions I ask my clients presenting an anorexic dog to me. Have you introduced some new food to this dog recently? How many days have this dog gone without eating? Is this dog vomiting or having diarrhea? The answers to these questions help me rule out an underlying cause for the dog's loss of appetite. As part of my physical checkup, I usually offer the dog some tasty food, a tasty prescription food called AD. If the dog eats the AD food, that's an indication the dog is declining the food at home, possibly due to contamination of the food or distraction. If the dog declines the food, the AD food, now my challenge for identifying the cause of anorexia have just begun. The next step in the investigation is completing a full physical checkup, perform some complete blood panel, and possibly some abdominal x-rays. That's the end of the first video. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, share it, subscribe, or comment below.